In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Todoist account. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or just moving on to other productivity tools, the process to securely and permanently delete your Todoist account is straightforward, but requires your careful attention to ensure you're ready to say goodbye to all your stored tasks and projects. Let's walk through the process together. To start, navigate to the Todoist website and locate the login page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so to access your account settings. Enter your email address in the designated field on the login page. This should be the email address associated with your Todoist account, the one you used when you initially signed up, or the one you've updated your account to since. After entering your email, proceed to enter your password. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. If you have trouble remembering your password, take a moment to reset it following Todoist prompts for a password reset. Once you've entered your login credentials correctly, click the Login button to access your account. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be brought to the main dashboard of Todoist, typically your Today view, where you can see any tasks scheduled for the current day. Take a moment here if you need to verify that you're ready to proceed with deletion, as this action is irreversible and will result in the loss of all your tasks, projects, and data associated with your Todoist account. Now navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you access your user settings and account options. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile icon, select the settings option to proceed to the next step. This is where you can adjust various account preferences, but most importantly, it's where you'll find the option to delete your account. In the settings menu, look for a section or tab labeled Account or something similar. Todoist interface design may vary slightly over time, but generally your account settings will be clearly marked. Once in the account settings area, locate the Delete Account button. This option is usually at the bottom of the page or in a location that's not immediately noticeable, as deleting your account is a significant action. Before clicking Delete Account, take a moment to ensure you are ready to proceed. Deleting your Todoist account is a permanent action. You'll lose all your data, including tasks, projects, comments, and attachments. It's not something that can be undone, so be sure this is what you want. If you have any tasks or data you wish to keep, make sure to back them up or note them elsewhere before proceeding. When you're ready, click on Delete Account. Todoist may ask you for a final confirmation or to enter your password again to ensure it's genuinely you requesting the account deletion. Follow these final prompts carefully. Once you confirm the deletion request, your Todoist account will be permanently deleted. You will be logged out and your data will be removed according to Todoist's data retention policies. And just like that, your Todoist account is no more. In closing, remember that deleting your Todoist account is a significant step. It's important to be certain that you no longer require any of the information or tasks stored in your account. Also, consider whether there might be a need to notify any team members or collaborators of your departure from the platform if you've been using it in a shared capacity. Thank you for watching today's guide on how to delete your Todoist account. If you have any questions or need further assistance with managing your digital accounts, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your online life with ease and security.